Hey guys, what's up? I would like to show you this super interesting Instagram picture automation that allows you to consistently publish to Instagram, right? From a list of saved off pictures that you have that you want to post to Instagram, you can, upload all this into a Google Drive. It will automatically post on your behalf with a nice caption, right? So let's get started. Basically, I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm gonna log in at make.com. I'm gonna create a new scenario. Well, first off, I'm gonna go into Google Drive. All right, from this folder, I'm gonna create a new Google Sheet, and I'm gonna basically copy the same setup I got right up in here, right? Important details to set up this Google Sheet. We're gonna need file ID, file name, file type, image preview, share link, image description, caption, and status. We're gonna need all those, right? We'll label this as example Instagram automation. And this will be key for setting up our automation, because this is where we're going to be dumping all of our information about the pictures that we're going to be uploading. Okay. So in make.com, you first want to go to watch files in a folder, right? So let's go to... In our folder here, we are going to make two folders. One's called inbox, and then another one's called published. Okay, so from that, we are going to do watch files in a folder, and make sure you have your Google account connected. It was pretty difficult to do, but once you got it set up, it's pretty going. I'll make a video on it in the future to help walk you through how to connect Google to make.com. So while this is connected, we're gonna create by, you could do by modified time or by created time. If you got it set up and it's all working great, I would do by created time. But if you're trying to debug something, you might want to do it by modified time. All right, and then try, let's navigate to your folder. Where did I put this folder? All right, the folder is there, and we're gonna be linking to the inbox folder that we just created, and we're gonna set the limit to 1. Okay, now after that, we got get a share link, and this is going to be key for an example. So not all the outputs from this module are available to you right now to set this up, so we're gonna have to do a test. But once you've done that initial thing and got the example picture loaded, you'll be able to see the thing that you need to create a get share link. So let's try to test this right now. So we're going to get this image. Wait, first we're gonna make sure that this runs, which it does. And then we're gonna go into our inbox and then paste a new folder in there. Not a new folder, but a new picture, right? And then we're gonna run this again. Let me move myself out the way. How do I flip this? I'll do this over here. All right. So you probably can't see that I clicked run, but I clicked run, and this is the type of information that you're going to see. And now we're going to do get a share link. And if you feel like not setting this up, which I understand, like this could be a process, I will be putting this into a format where you could download it. So good share link. So what did I put in here? I put file ID, reader, and anyone, and allow file discovery. Okay. So file ID, which is important, and anyone, and allow file discovery. Let's test this. It's not gonna work. We need a new image, and that's where by modified time comes in handy, which is already selected. So I'm gonna duplicate this. Now it has a different title. I'm gonna put it in here, and now we can run it again and test that we've got up until this point. Now what we're gonna do is set up a cloud convert, and we're gonna convert the image into a format that Instagram likes. I will have another video on how to set up a Connect Cloud Convert, and their API is, I bought like API credits for Cloud Convert, and I paid like $10 for some credits. I still have not run out of credits, and it's been like months. So just letting you know. So like you're basically gonna need an API key. Once you got that, it's pretty straightforward. And then we're gonna do, this was key for me. So import a file from URL, and we're going to do the web content link. That is key, this right here, right? And then we're wanting to convert it to JPEG, and we don't know the input format, but we want the output format to be JPEG. And we're gonna have to include the file name as well as the output format extension. Make sure that's in there. And then download a file. We're gonna click yes to that. Now, this is where ChatGPT thing comes in handy, because ChatGPT, or an LLM that has the capability to see what's in an image and deliver that information to you to text. So image to text. If an LLM has image to text and it has a make.com module, you could put it in here. Like I don't know if Mistral has it, but like we could do, because I think Mistral has one. I'll do some research and populate this and try it with that and show you another video once I get that going for Mistral. But let's go ahead and put in this. So what do we want to do? We want to describe what is an image, and we're going to analyze images, and we're going to be using the same information from Cloud Convert and image URL, temporary URL, the model ChatGPT 4.0, and max tokens is like 200, right? We want to keep the max tokens small because Instagram has a caption. Instagram's caption has a text limit. Then we're going to message assistant. So what is the assistant that I have here? The assistant is brand messaging guide, Instagram. Great. So if you want a brand messaging guide, feel free to comment in this video and I'll make a video on that because that's really cool. Basically, it'll handle all your brand voicing for you for any social media, and you can set it up with a ChatGPT assistant. Highly underestimated. So, brand Instagram messaging guide. And our message is going to be, this is the image description. Everything in the brand messaging guide will create the caption for us. And we're gonna be feeding it in the result from the image model that we used. And that is pretty much it. We could show advanced settings. We could probably do 4.0 mini. You never know. And that's pretty much it for that one. And this will craft the amazing caption. And the rest of this is basically managing the file, the picture that we just uploaded. So let me do that. So what we do here, we did upload a file. What are we uploading? It's been a minute since I've made this. We're uploading the converted file. Okay. The converted file to converted. So, and on top of the inbox and publish folders, we're gonna need a converted folder. Okay. And we're gonna find this. And this is in automations. picture automations. Example. Inbox. Okay. Yeah, we want to do converted, and then bam, bam, bam. All right. This should be set up now. Then we want to do the same thing as before and get share link. So we can store that into the Excel. File ID, that's important. We could probably clone this, delete this, but we're going to replace this with the latest so that it could, wait, yeah. Because the inputs for get a share link is just basically a file ID, right? Yeah. Okay, and then now we're gonna add a row, and then we're gonna example. All right, we're going to add a row and select our Excel sheet, not Excel, but Google. I mean, honestly, Excel could work too, or any of the, databases that we have. But so, picture automations, example, and example Instagram automation. All right, sheet 1. We're gonna plug in the latest file ID, the file name, where'd they get that from? Okay, so the file ID, the file name, the file type, which is the meme type, or the MIME type, the image preview, which is the web view link and the web content link. So where's that at? Web view link. Should be right here. And the web content link is right there. Okay. Then our image description and image caption is fed in through ChatGPT or whatever LLM that you like to use. Image description is the first one. Image caption. Why text value? Text value. It's strange to me. We're gonna just return. We could just probably just return the result. Or yeah, we could just do text value. All right, and the status is uploaded. And that's pretty much gonna be it. Now, you could have it to automatically post on your behalf, and then you would just put like an Instagram module here or right here, right? Instagram, create a photo post. You would put it right here, save your Instagram ID. If you strategically just wanted to do it automatically, but And that would be like the end of this automation. As soon as you upload it into the inbox, in the Google inbox, Google Drive inbox, it's going to notice this, and then run the automation using AI capabilities with the converting to Instagram's favorite bio type, and then posting it to Instagram. But however, I know people like to review whatever happened in the AI part. I know I like to do. So that's why we have the status here. And we can have a human check to say that from uploaded, it'll run another automation, which I have right here. You're looking at it right here, which will watch new rows being added. And then, you know how I said the status is uploaded when we first uploaded it? Once you, so what this new human in the loop automation will do is that it will search rows and see that if a cell in that status column is not equal to uploaded, and it's equal to review, then it will start this automation, because that is a human check that would put you more in control of letting you review whatever was created with this AI generated caption. I know people like to do that, so I'm gonna show you how to do that right now, right here. So make sure to save this all. I would say Instagram publish flow example. Wait, Instagram capture flow, because we are capturing information. All right. Make sure to save this. Let's run another example, and to basically, without having to upload another picture into this inbox, you could do copy paste and it should create another image, and you could run it and see what happens. So let's see. Oh, well, that didn't work. That did not work because this API is incorrect. So we're going to, and if you have trouble like I did, you could always copy and paste and make a new image in here, and then we can run it again and see if the flow completes. It'll take a minute to convert the file. And it has completed. Great. And we can see what exactly you created, right? And we can see that it has a status of upload or uploaded. We have the file ID, the file name, image preview, and you can see, like, if you hover over there, this, it will show you the image, so you can see if it makes sense with the caption, And if you like the caption, then this is my custom brand messaging guide, which you could change if you want. And the most important thing is that if you like it, then you would put it into review. So, but before we do that, let's get started on the automation, the second part of the automation. So let's go to create a new scenario, and from here we're going to do search Google Sheets, and we're going to do search rows, and we're going to find our spreadsheet ID, which is example Instagram automation. Sheet name should be sheet 1. And this is where the logic comes in. So we want the status to be not equal to uploaded, and we want to do or we're going to do another one, and we want to make sure that the status is also equal to reviewed. And that should be it. And you could probably do what am I doing here? That's pretty much it. That will trigger each time that you have changed this to be reviewed. Now, I think you could also do, how did I have it? So like I have it in this like little bubble icon, and I want to show you how to do that too. So I did a drop down, I think, and I would like to do another drop down. So you can have uploaded, and it could be, green or however you like it. And then we can add another item to be reviewed. Letting the AI automation know that you've reviewed the caption and the image, and you want to post it to Instagram. So once it's in that status, it will automatically post it on your behalf, depending on how frequent you want the post automation to run. So the next status would be publish, and that is what's going to happen after we've published the picture. All right, so now that it's in this really cool looking cell drop down type, we're going to continue creating this search rows. So basically we're going to update a row. Stop is 0. So that's a filter that I have right here. That's important. Let me get to this first. So we're going to update this row. So the first thing we're going to do is to update the current row. Once it's like saw that the status went from uploaded to reviewed, we're just like automatically, first thing off the bat is change it to published. Or as long as this update row is somewhere in the automation flow, it doesn't have to be at the front, it doesn't have to be at, well, it should be near the front or near the middle, right after you published to Instagram. All right, so let me find the spreadsheet again. Sheet 1, and row number should be right here, and then we want to update the status to be published, which should be the exact cell type that we have right here, published. Right. So that is set up. Let's see what's next. So the filter for this, so it won't run all the time, is to stop at 0. And if the total numbers that total number of bundles that comes back is 0, or is not equal to 0, we won't continue. So let's run this, and total number of bundles is 0. We will not continue. All right, so now we're gonna create a photo post. I'm basically, okay, so right here, create a photo post, and I've been experimenting and trying to figure out like how to set it up. I'll create a video on how to set up Instagram with make.com later, but basically, it takes a minute though. Let's see if this one works. My Facebook application. Okay, so this is the one that I'm currently working. I need to figure out how to delete my connections that don't work. And we're gonna post to Isaiah Dupree. And we're gonna pull the photo URL from share link. Right. Sweet. And that should be it. Wait, no. We forgot the caption. And if you wanted to make more, give the Instagram post more fidelity, you could do that by including a username in your tags, your X. That's crazy. You can add, you can tag people if you want, but that's going too much for the scope of this video. You can even add location IDs, but yeah, you can do all that with this make.com cool little module. All right, now that's done. We're gonna move the image that we have, and we're gonna move that to the publish folder. And make sure to have the right Google Drive connection. All right, and we're gonna pull from the file ID and new drive folder. We're gonna move it to picture automations, and we're gonna move it to example. We're gonna move it to published. Okay. Then we're also going to add some rows. Add more rows. We need necessarily, probably not. So this is just statusing, but basically, that's pretty much it. We've changed that to published. We've posted the image. We moved the file folder. And that's pretty much it. So great. Let's run this now. Okay, what happened? So, did I already do it? All right. So, just want to see if it works. Why isn't it working? Do I have it to? Oh yeah, make sure to change this to reviewed, and then now it should work. And it'll post to Instagram, and we move the folder / image. Okay, so now in our inbox, which one of the photos have now been moved to converted, taken out of convert, and then moved to published. Great. And all in all, that is our Instagram picture automation, right? So to start off this automation, you would upload all of your images to here, right? Oh yeah, that's the most. So speaking about frequency, we also want to pick an ideal time to run this. And you don't necessarily want to run it like every 15 minutes. You most likely want to run it like probably every day. And I'm going to run the Instagram picture capture flow example. Not every day. Not every 15 minutes, but basically every day. Okay. That's that automation, and it will populate this with the status of uploaded, right? So that's after, you know, you've uploaded, you've taken the time to capture a bunch of images of what you want to post to Instagram. You then manually move them to here, to this Google inbox. And then, so basically the workflow is you move your images to here, you then check the Excel sheet, right? And then you would have a lot of rows with, you know, the status of uploaded. You would then look through the images and the captions and see if the vibe matches your vibe. Then you would move that to reviewed, and it would basically handle posting it for you however frequent you want. So this is the Instagram publish flow example. And you would also run this every day and save. So make sure to save these automations before you go, before you close the window, do anything else, because that's highly crucial. I forget to save sometimes, so make sure to press Control-S to save your work. And now, after that, you have a fully functioning thing. I posted. So this is what, you know, a good example of a post, right? That I didn't have to go to Instagram at all to post this with a nice caption, right? I am idealistically spending like 1 hour a month going through the Excel sheet or Google sheet, and then, you know, seeing from all the pictures that I've uploaded to this example inbox folder, saying all that data populate this Google Sheet. I am then reviewing it, and then once I click review, it'll publish. And like that is literally, you'll be able to do a whole month of posting Instagram with 1 hour of work. And that is what I'm promising you with this automation. That's literally it. Like 1 hour work versus a whole month of posting. Assuming that you've got all the images already. So it's amazing what you can do with automations. And on that note, I'll see you in the next one.